So I was trying to get a free trial on CodeRabbit's Pro Plus account, but I just kept running into authentication problems. I'll show you what happened and how I solved it using the Starlight app. I'll show you this in a second. I went into the command center and talked to my agent. I'll show you that just in a second. I'll show you where I was stuck first. So here I was trying to grant access to this organization, but there was an X beside it, and that's the one I needed to grant access to, and it just wasn't working. So let me go back over to, so Command Center opens up, and this is where I got access to my ASA, or Autonomous Solutions Architect, who has the ability to see my screen, by the way. So I tell him that I previously had CodeRabbit authenticated and then removed it. It was blocked. He says, I can see your screen, and he points out that I was on the wrong page and I needed to go to this page here. So I do go to this page. Let me just get there. So I'm on this page, but there's no, I don't see CodeRabbit there, not helpful. So I go back to him, and I'm on this screen. I tell him what screen I'm on. He can actually see all the screens, but I just thought I'd speed it up so he didn't have to look and check. He says, I can see your page. You're on the GitHub Apps page. Once again, you need to be on here using OAuth. So basically he says, can you scroll down the left side and look for either third-party access or OAuth application policy? So I do that. There's OAuth application policy. I click that, and lo and behold, there it was. I just didn't think I needed help because I use GitHub every day, and I thought I knew their interface, but I was just lost. And so I was able to click this little pencil, grant access, and now currently approved. So problem solved. And I was just thinking what, like the almost unlimited use cases there if you need help with like applications you're not familiar with, Photoshop or I don't know, Illustrator or whatever, these complex applications that take years to learn, literally. You can just use your Autonomous Solutions Architect to lead you through step by step and kind of guide you through doing real tutorials. How amazing is that?